Hi, so my name is Bill. I am a front-end and Webflow developer, and I want to share with you a little trick I learned from a client project I did recently on Webflow. Uh, I had to have different navbar colors for two different pages. The problem with that is that I made the navbar a symbol, so I can repeat it all over the website without having to copy and paste or do it from scratch each time. So yeah, I made it a symbol. This is my portfolio. My portfolio website is not a website I am talking to you about. That's another one. But I want to demonstrate that principle, that trick with this website that I'm building. So we have this navbar. This is the original navbar. It has a color, a transparent background. So yeah, if I change the color of the body element, the color of the navbar also changes because it's transparent. So yeah, I have this other page named about me, and it has the same navbar. It's the same one, the same thing, the same navbar. So yeah, I have this. I'm going to erase this. Okay, I have this navbar. It's the same one. As you can see, you cannot see the the text because it's transparent, and the body element of this page is white. So because the navbar is a symbol, it's the same thing as the symbol of the home page. So it's the background is transparent and the colors are white, and we cannot change that into the instance overrides. We cannot change the colors. We can change, for example, a text or this image, but not the colors. So how did I do that, and how you can do that too? To show you, it can be done by this little uh, custom CSS code. I'm going to show you. I'm going to write it from scratch to um, teach you how to use it. I'm not going to copy. So yeah, we have this HTML embed code. So this is a style because it's CSS. So it's style. So what we have to do first, first we must do something first. We must uh, give the body element a class name. I'm going to give this body element the class name of body white, and the home page body element has body blue, as you can see right here. So first you give the body element a class name and copy that class name because we are going to use that right here. So you go that the class name of the body element and the class name of the navbar. That in my case is navbar. So you do this, and I'm going to change the background color of the navbar to something like, let's say, uh, all all black. So yeah, 3 zeros, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, if I close, as you can see, the navbar color has changed. But if I go to the home page, is the same color as before, has not changed, as you can see. So I'm going to explain this code a little more. So what are we doing with this code? Let me, yeah. Okay, we are selecting the element with the class navbar inside a element with a class body white. Okay, the background color the black background color will only apply to a element with a class name navbar inside another element with a class name body white. This will not apply to all the navbar. It will only apply to a navbar inside the body white element. So that's why the navbar background color change in this page, but not in the home page, because the home page body element has another class name. Is Let me check, body blue, I think. Yeah, body blue. That's why this the change doesn't apply here, but in the other page. So yeah, and you can do the same with the text color. For example, it would be only uh, get the class name of this text. It would be number link, or you can do it by going to HTML embed and you're going to body white e. I think it was number link. Yeah, I think that link. Sorry about that. And color, let's say white. No, let's say red, for example. If I close, and you can see the navbar links are red. And why this button didn't change its color? Because this button has a class name of, let's see, of btn, not number link. So yeah, I hope this is clarifying. I hope that everything is good. um, Let me know if you want to learn something new about Webflow development, and I can help you with that. Thank you so much for your time. See you in another day. Thanks.